Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Since we moved in this house, today's actually just the second time which I will be deep cleaning our fridge, and I know you're supposed to do it at least twice a month, and I have only done it once last month. I'll be sharing to you how I clean our fridge in this house because this one's different, a little different. It's actually smaller than what we have in the other house. And I hope that you like this video. And if you do like it, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so join me. So I've already taken out the foods inside the freezer, and I've also started wiping it with a warm microfiber cloth. The first step in cleaning the fridge is to take everything out and then wipe the entire surface with a warm damp cloth. Then make a baking soda paste and dip the cloth in it and wipe it in the surface. And lastly, clean out the baking soda by wiping again the surface using the warm damp cloth. And basically that's it. You just have to repeat the same steps. If you have a lot of space for the foods inside your fridge, then you can definitely take out everything entirely. But as for me, I don't have enough space at our table, so I have to do it by section.
Did you notice I've been lost, staying up to the break of dawn, hoping that you'll show a little warmth, but you know I feel the coldest when I'm wrapped around your finger. Did you notice that you put me through the wrinkle when you said that you needed solace that I can't offer you? I found a light in all this, something to get me through. Now every day is a challenge, top down, blowing smoke out. It's not good for my balance. It sounds great, but I'm burnt out. Cause now the drugs aren't working. I've taken all I can, but my heart's still hurting. This can't be all I am, cause leaving me so lonely only left me half a man. Now the highs aren't worth it, the drugs aren't working. I've taken all I can, but my heart's still hurting. Did you notice when I passed you yesterday that I was frozen? Thinking, flashing back, I can't live in the moment. My heart's still in the past, but we ain't spoken since you left me broken. When you said that you needed solace that I can't offer you, I found a light in all this, something to get me through. Now every day is a challenge, top down, blowing smoke out. It's not good for my balance. It sounds great, but I'm burnt out. Cause now the drugs aren't working. I've taken all I can, but my heart's still hurting. This can't be all I am, cause leaving me so lonely only left me half a man. Now the highs aren't worth it, the drugs aren't working. Now the drugs aren't working. I've taken all I can, but my heart's still hurting. This can't be all I am, cause leaving me so lonely only left me half a man. Now the highs aren't working, the drugs aren't working.
I don't like staying up and talking about your family till we fall asleep. I don't like that you know my order when we're out to eat and you pay for me.
It's definitely overwhelming deep cleaning the fridge, and since the entire process is repetitive, then it can be very boring but is exhausting to do at the same time. But it definitely pays off to have a clean fridge since this is where we store our foods.
Every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. 'Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh. I don't like when you look at me directly in the eye with that perfect smile. And I don't like all the compliments you're always giving me. Is this even real? 'Cause I don't wanna be that girl falling hard and getting hurt, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel, so I get scared. Every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. 'Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate. When I say I don't like you, you know I like you, I do. And when I say I don't need you, I just mean I need to take my time with you. Every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. 'Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, yeah, yeah. I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh.
Hey girl, Mom, what's up? I got some tea. What? Yeah.
Cleaning the fridge also helps me take out the expired foods, which sometimes we forget ever having for a long time.
I guess he didn't know you at all. Cause he swam in my DM. Now that nigga drowning. Yeah. But I got a plan to devise. We gon' fuck up his life. All we need is your phone and some time. Boy, you don't know that we know about you, baby. Baby, we know about you. No excuse, baby. Baby, we got receipts. Girl, thanks for putting me up.
So that's it, you guys. I hope that you like this video, and if you have any video suggestions for me, please leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to do that for you. I hope that you continue watching my videos because I still have lots of ideas for you. I do hope that you have a great day today. Bye. Thank you.
Hey girl. Mama, what's up? I got some tea. What? Yeah. Yeah. Alright.